I'm gonna go back to bed, I know it's not even late. I saw a photo and it made me upset. Not enough to start crying, just to give me a headache. The ground keeps shifting underneath. It's all we can do to stay on our feet. We hold what we can. We do whatever we need. Shock after shock after shock after shock. We hold what we can. We do whatever we need. Shock after shock after shock after shock. We hold what we can. We do whatever we need. Shock after shock after shock after shock. We hold what we can. We do whatever we need. Some witchy shit with asparagus. The love of my life is memorizing the ceiling, and my best guy is in medicinal healing. I'm adding dessert and tea to the groceries. She's making a dozen hand-beaded rosaries. My father and mother booked another vacation, and my best bud is on a new medication. He's back on the ends, but this time it's casual. She cut her own bangs with pink said it's natural. I sleep until 10 with an alarm every morning, and my best friend picks up the phone when he's bored. Looks like we're alive. We hold what we can. Looks like we're alive. We hold what we can. Looks like we're alive. Looks like we're alive. Looks like I wanna fall into the fault line, but grief doesn't want us to die. So shock after shock looks like